Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 Premium equipped with 4MATIC all-wheel drive. On the front end of the vehicle we have our 3-in protective film as well as our full LED headlights. Under the hood sits a 2-liter turbocharged engine that produces 208 horsepower and 258 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 17-inch aluminum wheels, heated power folding mirrors with blind spot alert, and keyless entry. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have a remote trunk release on the vehicle's key fob that gives us access to the 13.1 cubic feet of trunk space. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have memory driver and passenger front seats, as well as our automatic headlight controls. This CLA is also equipped with a panoramic sunroof and heated power adjustable leather seats, as well as OEM all-weather floor mats. On the vehicle steering wheel we have our cruise control buttons, as well as Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. Also equipped is push-button start, and a color display that shows the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and backup camera. Equipped for comfort are dual-zone climate controls. And on the vehicle's key fob we have our remote entry buttons, and finally moving to the back of the vehicle we have our 60/40 split folding rear seats.